Welcome to my channel, Modern Talk English.
My name is Julie, and every morning I go for a calm walk. Walking in the morning helps me start my day with energy. It is also my special time to practice English step by step. I listen to simple English sentences while walking. Walking improves blood circulation and gives fresh oxygen to my brain. This makes learning easier and faster. While I walk, I repeat words like sunrise, fresh air, and green trees. This helps me remember vocabulary naturally. The morning sun gives me vitamin D and lifts my mood. Learning English during a walk gives me double benefits. I feel proud because I am doing something healthy and educational. You can also try this habit. Step by step, your English and health will improve together. When I start walking, I take deep breaths and say simple English words aloud. Breathe in, breathe out. I repeat it slowly. This relaxes my body and mind. Doctors say deep breathing during a walk strengthens the lungs. It also reduces stress, which is good for learning languages. I speak sentences like, I am walking in the park, and I feel fresh and happy. Speaking aloud builds my confidence. Every step gives me new motivation to learn. Morning walks also improve blood sugar control, which keeps me active all day. While walking, my brain releases endorphins, the happy hormones. This makes English practice enjoyable. You can create your own simple sentences about your walk. For example, I see the blue sky, or I hear birds singing. Every morning, walk feels like a new beginning. I tell myself in English, today is a new chance. This positive self-talk builds my mindset. Doctors and scientists say that regular walking lowers the risk of heart disease. It also keeps joints flexible. When my body feels light, my mind learns faster. I use my phone to listen to English podcasts for beginners. Sentences like, "Good morning, how are you?" become easy for me. Step by step, my vocabulary grows like a tree. I imagine every word as a leaf on my English tree. This picture makes me smile and continue. Walking also helps with weight control. It burns calories and keeps the heart strong. When you are healthy, learning is easier. I wake up early and drink a glass of water before my walk. This prepares my body for movement. While walking, I repeat useful English words like energy, health, and happiness. Repeating these words makes them part of my memory. Doctors recommend at least 30 minutes of walking every day for a healthy heart. Walking in the morning improves digestion and boosts the immune system. It also refreshes the mind, making English study more effective. Sometimes I listen to a short English story while walking. This helps me improve listening skills naturally. I also try to describe what I see in English, like, I see children playing, or I smell fresh flowers. This practice is simple but powerful. Over time, my English becomes smoother and more natural. Morning walks give me time to speak without fear. I say easy phrases like, I am learning English, and I feel strong today. Saying these words builds my confidence. Health experts say, Walking lowers blood pressure and improves sleep quality. Good sleep is important for memory and language learning. When I practice English during a walk, I feel free and relaxed. There is no pressure, no classroom, only nature and my words. This makes learning enjoyable. I also learn pronunciation by repeating words slowly. For example, beautiful, morning, exercise. My body becomes stronger and my mind becomes clearer. Combining walking and English practice is like a natural classroom. It is free, healthy, and motivating. When I walk, I pay attention to nature around me. I see trees, flowers, and birds. I say their names in English softly to myself. Tree, flower, bird, grass, sky. Repeating makes them stick in my memory. Doctors say observing nature reduces stress and improves mental health. It slows the heart rate and lowers blood pressure. As I name things, I build my vocabulary. For example, I see green trees. I hear singing birds. I feel cool wind. These simple sentences train my speaking and thinking. The fresh air fills my lungs with oxygen. My brain feels sharper and ready to learn. Every step becomes a small English lesson. It is free and peaceful. During my morning walk, I listen to English podcasts or short stories. Listening every day helps me understand pronunciation and rhythm. I choose slow, clear English programs. Doctors say walking improves blood flow to the brain, which helps concentration. This means I can focus better on what I hear. Sometimes I pause the audio and repeat a sentence. This helps me speak like a native. For example, I hear, "It is a beautiful morning," and I say it back aloud. My ears and mouth learn together. This method is simple but powerful. While my feet move, my mind absorbs new words. I enjoy two benefits at once: health and learning. As I walk, I practice positive English affirmations. I say, "I can learn English. I am healthy. I am improving every day." These sentences give me confidence and hope. Doctors say positive thinking reduces stress hormones in the body. This helps the immune system and the brain. Walking with a smile makes the heart stronger. I combine movement, words, and smiles. For example, I feel good. I am active. I enjoy my walk. My mood becomes lighter and happier. Language learning becomes less scary and more joyful. This daily ritual builds a healthy body and a healthy mind. Step by step, it changes my life. Sometimes I practice small grammar points during my walk. I use the present continuous tense. I am walking. I am learning. I am breathing. This helps me remember how to form sentences naturally. Doctors say that walking can improve memory and creativity. When I move my body, my brain connects ideas faster. I also try the past tense. I walked yesterday. I learned new words. I listened to a story. Practicing grammar outside makes it feel real. It is not just a lesson in a book. It is life. This makes English practice stronger. Health and learning walk together with me. Morning walks help me release stress from my body. While I walk, I take deep breaths and exhale slowly. I also speak English sentences like I feel relaxed and I let go of stress. Doctors say walking lowers cortisol, the stress hormone. This improves mood and memory. When my mind is calm, I remember words more easily. I also repeat calming words like peace, calm, breathe. These words become part of my vocabulary and my state of mind. I enjoy the quiet streets and the sound of my steps. Learning English becomes a gentle, peaceful activity. My heart beats steadily, my thoughts become clear, and my motivation grows. After 10 minutes of walking, I feel my energy rise. I use this moment to practice stronger English sentences. I feel powerful. I can speak English. I am learning quickly. Doctors say walking improves blood sugar control and keeps energy stable. It also increases oxygen to the muscles and brain. This is the perfect time to repeat new vocabulary. My brain is awake and active. I describe my surroundings. The road is empty. The park is quiet. The air is fresh. This habit strengthens both my health and my English. I begin my day feeling positive and ready. During my walk, I imagine small stories in English. For example, a girl walks in the park and meets a friend. This helps me practice storytelling and sentence building. Doctors say using imagination stimulates brain cells and improves memory. I make up simple dialogues. Good morning. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Speaking them aloud gives me confidence. The movement of walking makes ideas flow easily. It feels like a game, not a lesson. This playful method makes learning faster. My body moves, my brain creates, and my English grows naturally. After my walk, I write down the new words and sentences I practiced. This creates a small vocabulary journal. Doctors say writing helps fix memory. By combining walking, speaking, listening, and writing, I use all my senses. This makes learning deeper. My journal contains words like sunrise, breeze, exercise, relaxed. Each word reminds me of a moment from my walk. This memory link helps me remember longer. My English improves day by day. My health improves too. This simple system is powerful and free. Anyone can do it. While walking, I keep my back straight and breathe deeply. This posture helps my lungs and my confidence. I say English sentences like, I walk tall, I breathe deeply, I feel confident. Doctors say good posture improves oxygen flow and prevents back pain. It also influences how we feel about ourselves. Speaking English with good posture makes me feel strong. I stand straight, I speak clearly, I learn better. The habit of walking and speaking English trains both my body and my voice. Over time, I notice my pronunciation improves because I breathe correctly. Sometimes I practice mindfulness while walking. I focus on my steps, my breath, and the sounds around me. I describe them in English. I hear birds. I feel the wind. I see the sky. Doctors say mindfulness reduces anxiety and improves concentration. This is very useful for language learning. My mind becomes calm and focused. I enjoy the present moment and the beauty of my walk. English words become part of my experience, not just a lesson. This helps me remember faster and speak more naturally. I make my morning walk and English practice a daily habit. Doctors say habits shape our life and health. A small habit done every day creates big results. I start small, 10 minutes of walking, 5 sentences of English. Then I grow slowly. Step by step, it becomes easy. I say, I am building a habit. I enjoy my habit. My habit makes me better. This self-talk motivates me. Soon, walking and learning English feel natural, like brushing teeth. This makes success sure. Every week I celebrate my progress. I notice my health improving and my English growing. I tell myself, I speak better. I feel stronger. I am proud. Doctors say positive rewards help the brain continue habits. I also teach a new word to a friend. Sharing what I learn makes it stronger in my memory. This simple celebration keeps me motivated. My morning walk becomes a journey of growth. My English becomes part of my life story. Sometimes I meet people during my walk. I greet them in English. Good morning. How are you? These small conversations build my confidence. Doctors say social connection improves mental health and happiness. Speaking to real people helps me practice real English. I also smile and listen carefully. Listening improves my understanding. This is free practice and good exercise for my mind. I return home feeling healthier and more confident. The secret of success is consistency. I do my morning walk and English practice even on busy days. Doctors say regular exercise is better than occasional hard exercise. Regular learning is also better than long but rare study. I say to myself, I am consistent. I show up. I improve. This mindset builds discipline. Step by step, my body becomes stronger and my English becomes fluent. I feel proud of my discipline. My morning walk is not just exercise, it is my classroom. It gives me health, happiness, and English progress. Doctors and teachers agree. Movement and learning together are powerful. I encourage you to try it. Start with 5 minutes of walking and 5 English sentences. Grow slowly. Step by step, you will see changes in your body and your language. You will feel fresh, confident, and motivated. Walking and learning English can become the best part of your day. This simple routine can change your life.